WWE 2026 is officially coming, and WWE 2K Mobile's hitting Netflix this fall. Ready to step into the ring? Stick with GadInsider for the scoop. What's good, wrestling fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. 2K just confirmed WWE 2026 is in development, and WWE 2K Mobile is launching this fall with Netflix. Announced during Take-Two's earnings call, let's break down what's coming and why fans are buzzing. 2K dropped big news. WWE 2026, the next chapter of the hit wrestling series, is set for release in Fiscal 2026 between April 2025 and March 2026. Expected to build on WWE 2025's Showcase mode and My GM, with rumors of new match types and more legends. WWE 2K Mobile, a free-to-play game, launches this fall on iOS and Android via Netflix Games. It's packed with fast-paced wrestling action, roster updates, and mobile-friendly controls. Take-Two's hyping it as a global knockout. Why is this news massive? WWE 2K26 could finally nail the perfect mix of realism and arcade fun, fixing 2025's My Rise gripes. Mobile's a big deal too. Netflix's 300 million subscribers get free access, making it a huge win for casual fans. How do you prep for WWE 2K Mobile? Grab a Netflix subscription and watch for its fall 2025 release on iOS and Android. For 2K26, expect teasers at Summer Game Fest 2025 or later. Follow GadInsider for first looks and gameplay reveals. That's the ring bell for WWE 2026 and mobile. Are you hyped to slam on mobile or waiting for 2026? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to keep the wrestling hype alive.